Hey everybody, what's up? I'm here with the Blue Ranger. He's wearing his Halloween mask, even though it is October. But
I know.
The water's starting to clear up, but after a lot of rain, it kind of flooded a little bit. We came here yesterday, not recording anything, but we had fun. He caught it actually a spotted bass.
Wait, Daddy, you know, yesterday I got a big fish.
Yeah, yesterday he caught the biggest fish. So we're gonna try to get today. This time we're gonna film it. And,
I want to catch the biggest fish again.
You probably will. All right, so we're gonna start fishing now. He's probably gonna catch the first fish again. I'm gonna go flip up under in the shade if I can. 70 degrees right now. It's nice. Should have wore a short sleeve, honestly. So, okay. He's gonna get mad, so I'm just gonna cast way over there. Boom. Got it where I wanted.
You can't see it.
I can't see it?
No.
Why not?
A lure. It's still on, but you can't see it.
It's like,
See? You can't see it. It's in.
is it hidden? I hit it?
Yeah, no. It's right over there. The lure. Oh, no, I don't want to get on. I don't want to get on fish.
Ooh.
It's your hot dog.
Kind of taking this spot.
I'm not playing that.
Oh, I had a miss. Grayson, you need to get yours right out in front of that rock because I'm getting hit by something small and my hook's too big. You got the perfect lure for that. Try it. Here, can I see it? You want me to cast it real quick? Well, yeah, let it sit like right there. There's fish under them rocks. Just kind of let it sit for a second until you feel something pull it.
Watch me get off and do this. See?
Oh, that's because you're getting so tall.
When it cost you. Oh man.
Oh, you gotta be kidding, Grayson. You did it? What? What?
I told you.
He did it.
That was awesome.
Oh, look, we doubled up, bud. Look at this. Woo! Mine's a cheek. I did it again. A creek chub.
That was my fish.
Well, we both caught one.
Yeah.
All right, let's. I'll throw mine in and then I'll help you get yours.
I want to pull mine.
Okay, that's a good sized chub. All right, that's awesome. So our first fish are double ups. There we go. You caught a rock bass.
I got a big fish.
Let's see if I can get that out.
I told you I got a fish.
Yeah, you did. Well,
I got two fish now.
I gotta get pliers. He choked it. Hold on.
Oh, he's getting blood.
You see blood? Yeah, he choked it. Oh, okay. I thought
I'm
they were
holding
gone.
the fish.
Right.
Oh man, he just slapped me.
He slapped me too. He's not happy right now.
He's not because, wait, he's alive though.
Yep.
He's still alive. That was a good bass.
Good.
It's a bass, Daddy.
Okay, there you go. Got it out. That was easy. Okay, thumb it like I showed you. Get it. Okay, look at the camera. Yeah, that's my boy. Okay, go ahead and throw your fish back in. He's fine. Look, he swam down. Good. Nice job, son. Here.
Oh, whoa, that wheel up.
I know where you can easily catch a fish at.
Where?
You want me to show you real quick? It's really pretty cool. Okay, but you got to be careful when you do it. Let me set my pole down.
Just like this?
Yeah, I'll even record it. Come on.
Like there?
Follow me. Grab your pole. Come on, follow me. I'll show you where. They're almost always in here. Okay, we're trying another crack that usually has. It's not really a crack. It's right under a...
Yes, I got it.
Did you get it?
No.
Or is it hung up? Get that bad boy out of there. There you go. Bring it up. Show me. Oh, reel it back in. Reel it back in. You let your line out. There you go. Reel it up. Reel it up. See, look at that. You got 2 now. Okay, keep going.
Go
Stop.
away.
Stop. There you go. Good
I
hook.
got a big one.
It's a dark one, too.
Yeah. Good. Look at this.
Oh,
I
he's...
put those fish in that.
Yeah, you did. You were so right.
Wait, there's a fish in that other one. I found that other one.
Okay, give me your pole. Let's do it again. Thumb them.
I said he was white tail.
Here, thumb your own fish. Thumb your own fish. There you go. Get them good. Show the camera. Nice job, Grayson. Do it again, Power Ranger. Swims off. That's great. And I hooked myself. Okay. You want to drop back down in that hole and see if
No.
oh, you want to go somewhere else now?
Just go in the other
He's so much fun.
white.
Okay, so he's up 2-0, or 2-1, even though I kind of showed him a couple spots where I know there's fish that sit by little rocks or in little spots. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stand in the shade, at least do it from right here for a minute instead of going down there. Yeah, we'll work our way down there. Okay, I'm gonna hit the spot for a few seconds, then go to my honey. Oh, right there at the wall. Oh, was it? Oh, okay. Well, let's stay away from it. Please stay on. Finally, jeez.
That's the biggest fish.
That's the biggest one of the day, huh?
Yes.
Sweet.
Wait, that's mine.
You caught him?
Daddy, you're gonna get hooked.
Took long enough. It's a pretty good smallmouth. Sniff them. Smells good. Oh, you want to lip them and throw them back?
He's so big.
Okay, hold them like that. Hold them tight. Come on. Go ahead.
He has sharks. Can he bite? Can he bite?
Not you. Fist bump. Right now it feels good.
It's a good one.
You're a good one.
Oh, you're a good one.
Blue Ranger.
You're a good one, girl.
So we've actually only caught 2 apiece out of everything we've done today. And you caught yours early on, so you've been able to play, and it's we're tied. Good cast. While wearing your mask. He's fishing while wearing his mask. Whew. Probably shouldn't have wore a long sleeve today. I guess it's not a fall. Yours does the casting. I don't know. Hit it. Oh, he let it go. You know what? I'm out of the spot. Okay, out of the 7 hours of, I'm just kidding. Out of the couple hours of fishing, still tied at 2 apiece. Today I consider a bad day too. I'm losing my bag too. He's sitting down. He doesn't care. He'll probably end up catching the last fish. I cannot believe how hard I'm actually trying, and you and me are still tied. Look at you. Grayson, I'm trying to beat you.
No.
You better not. I'm leaving. I'm walking home if you call one.
No.
All right. I think the next best thing to do is to finish this up where it all began. It's at the Little Blue Bridge where we both doubled up to kick off our little one-on-one. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so after nearly 4 hours of fishing, we're still tied at 2. I'm ready to give it up, but one of us want to win. So I'm letting him pick a spot. And then, oh, he's going to sneak over to the crack. Oh, that sneaky little... Oh, then I better hurry. And, yeah, tangle, bajangle. No, I'm trying to beat you. He's telling me to go over to him. I'm trying to beat him. He's calling me a baby. We need to give ourselves a time. Okay, it's 3:49. If none of us catch anything by 5, we end in a tie, because we could be out here like forever. Actually, my battery's about to die, honestly.
Moving the stick when it was in the water by the strap. I'm eating the stick.
Hey, bud. High five, we tied. Neither one of us could break the 2-2 tie. So, good job.
Let's go.
Go ahead and do the fist bump. Do it. Do it that one way you do it. You're so funny.